Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in the last video, I used dry shampoo on my hair to revive 1 week old silk press. And I got the volume that I was looking for, which is awesome, but I want a little bit more volume, so I'm going to be adding these clip-ins that I got from Outre. Yep, and also the bangs that I used in the previous video. I have an event that I'm going to today, and so I just wanted to kind of like zhuzh it up a little. Yeah, so let's get into the video. We're going to be using this hair from Outre. Got it a while ago. Haven't used it in forever, like maybe a year or so. Because I'm going to be wearing bangs, we're going to go right here. So these clip-ins are slightly different color than my hair. The ones that are closer to my hair color are what's, it's a little longer than my hair, and I kind of wanted to match my actual hair length, so I'm going with this one. Oh, perfect. Did y'all see that? Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, do it on this side. Then it's a little too tight. This will go right about there, that section. Okay, so I need to put hair to hide this, so let's start. Oh my god, but look at this though. It's giving shaggy. I love it. I freaking love it. All right. So let's just do this section, all right? Flip over. Hello, husband. Alright, let's, there we go. Hide the left. Are we hiding the left? We're hiding the left. Do it on this side as well. Just a smidge. Flip it over. Hiding the left. I think that's good enough because the fringe should cover it, aka the bangs. And voila. Okay, so now that we have that going on, I'm going to add a few more on this side, because as you can see there's a gap there in length. This side as well. So let's use ones with the two. So I'll just create a parting anywhere in my hair on the inside, as long as it gets hidden, especially like towards the crown area. Doesn't have to be perfect. Actually, I'll just start from like here, just straight line. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay, we covered it up better. All right, let's do this side. Guys, what are you thinking about this? It's really awesome. I've only covered up that area, as you can see. To be honest, I think that's all I need. I don't need any more volume. I don't think. But yeah. It reminds me of, I think it's Kerry Washington. She had hair like this when during her what was that one show that she was in where she was sleeping with the president? That show. That is it for this video, part 2. Let me know in the comments if you like it or nah. I'm feeling it, and yeah, I'll be rocking this for quite a bit. Cool. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.